In this video, I'm gonna render the main menu and contents of pages on the front end. So in header.thing.php, I have these hard-coded leads now as links. So if I run this index.php, I get them here, and this hello, they're hard-coded. So I'm gonna change all that. So I'm gonna get rid of this h3. I don't need that. And in header.ing.php, get rid of these leads as well, and I'm gonna change project name to CMS, and it's gonna link to index.php, and inside of this URL I'm gonna have PHP tags. Just indent this a bit, and then I'm gonna say q is gonna be equal to select title and URL from pages, order by ID ascending, r equals MySQL I query dbcq, and then I'm gonna say while row is equal to MySQL I fetch a sock r, and echo out those leads. So I'm gonna echo lee and a in there, href equal to double quotes and single quotes inside and two dots to append. So this is going to be row and URL, and inside of the a, single quotes and dots, and that's going to be row and title. And I'm missing a square bracket here. Now it's good. So if I refresh this now, here are the links from the table, the database. Okay, and now for the content in here, I'm gonna have PHP tags, and I'm gonna say determine page ID first of all. So I'm gonna say page ID is equal, and I'm gonna have a ternary here. So I'm gonna say is set get page, then page ID is gonna be equal to get page, otherwise it's gonna be equal to 1, so home. Because if I am on this page, I don't have that get page value in the URL, so I need a default, so it's gonna be 1, and if it's any other, then I'm gonna have it. And then I'm gonna say q is equal to select content from pages, where ID is equal to page ID, and r is gonna be equal to MySQL I query dbcq, and row is gonna be equal to MySQL I fetch a sock r, and I'm gonna say if not row, so if it doesn't exist, then I'm gonna say header and location index.php and exit, else I'm gonna say echo row and content. So if I refresh now, let's see what happens, and here is the content of the home page, about us as well as services and contact. And if I go to some page ID that doesn't exist, such as 14, let's say, I'm back at the home page, and if I'm at about us and click CMS, I go to the home page. So it's all good. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.